This video describes how, as an administrator, you can create jobs in EasyTalent. Creation of jobs in EasyTalent involves 6 simple steps, and of them, 3 are optional. In step 1, you enter the job title and job code, and then in step 2, you enter information on the industry, job family, and occupation. In step 3, you select the required work styles for the job retrieved from the ONIT database. Step 3 is optional and would typically be required when you wish to map the candidate's personality with work styles to predict success in the job. The tutorial Job Work Styles gives a more detailed explanation of how steps 2 and 3 are carried out. Thereafter, in step 4, you will have to select the tests that you consider necessary for evaluating candidates for the job. This is an important step because EasyTalent has many categories of inbuilt tests that can be used for evaluating the candidate's suitability in the job. For example, smart forms can be used for evaluating demographic data of candidates. Candidates can be assessed to determine their competency, skill, and psychometrics. They can be tested for domain and technical knowledge and digital competency, and they can be administered one-way, two-way, and panel video interviews. Not all tests would be required for every job, and you, as administrator, can select tests that are best suited for evaluating candidates for the job. The tutorial EasyTalent Tools gives a more detailed explanation on the selection process. After selecting the necessary tests, in step 5, you can assign weightage to the tests. Since some tests may have a greater impact on determining the suitability of the candidates. For example, for a particular job, if the administrator feels that a two-way live interview may give a better perspective than a skill test, the two-way interview would be given a higher weightage than the skill test. The tutorial Assigning Weightage gives a more detailed explanation on how to assign weightage. And finally, in step 6, you can assign the job to recruiters for filling the job vacancies. The tutorial Assigning Recruiters would give you a good understanding on how to do this.